Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com.
Good evening, Bessie here. I'm still facing that proxy issue.
Just a second. Okay, Blissy, I'll give you the presenter access. Okay, just give me a minute. Sharif, is it working now? Sharif or
Yes, it is
Rashmi, it's working, right?
It is. Yeah, it is working.
Even I'm getting below error, unable to run any npm commands in the PowerShell. Venugopal, give me 2 minutes. Please sort out Bliss's problem. After that, I'll take
Yeah,
yours.
sure. Sure, Avinash.
I'll sort it out all your problems.
Even I'm facing the same problem.
Just give me a minute, okay? Because Bless's
sure,
problem, right? It is with the proxy. Okay, let me sort out that one, and after this, right, I will tell any one of you to share the screen, okay? And I'll help you to fix this one. Is it fine?
Yep.
Yep.
Don't worry, I'll sort it out. Give me just a couple of minutes, okay? Bless, you are the presenter now. Could you please share the screen?
Yeah, sure. Can you see my screen?
Yes. Blessy, instead of this PW, right, you have to provide your actual password, okay?
Yeah, that is provided actually. When I ran the command, I provided that.
No. Don't type it. Don't type it in front of everyone. Hello.
Yeah, I'm not typing. When I share, right?
So instead of that, right, you have to provide the instead of this, right, you have to provide only line number 8 you can fire, okay? Instead of this PW, right, you provide your password. Okay, that's it. It will work.
Okay. Only this command, right?
Only this command. Only this command you provide it. Got the point?
Okay. Yeah, I got it. So I'll stop the sharing and I'll fire this command.
Yes. Okay. So after this, right, please let me know. I will help you. If you're still facing the problem, let me know. I will help you to sort out this. Okay. Now,
Sure.
Venugopal, could you please share the screen? I'll get the presenter access.
Yeah, sure.
Just a second. Now. Venugopal, you can share the screen now.
Yeah, I'm just sharing. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. If you see here, right, any command if I run, I'm getting like this in PowerShell.
Just a second. Let me.
Yeah.
npm is not recognized. Okay. Do one thing. Here.
Yeah, here in command prompt, I did it actually. So I ran these two commands, set the proxy, and after that I ran the client, but it is giving this error. But Node is installed actually. Node.js is installed. It's having the 12 version.
No problem. I got your point. So do one thing. Could you please open your C drive? Inside the C drive, could you please go to your could you please go to the users?
Oh yeah, users.
Current user that I don't know, you know it very well.
Yeah, I'm there only. Yeah.
So inside that, could you please open app data folder? It's not showing, right? It's hidden. Go to the view. View menu.
Oh, okay.
Hey, go to the left side. Go to the left side. You can see file, home, those things, right?
Here, right? You're talking about?
Not there. Move up. No. Press back. Just move up. There is a view folder. View menu is there, correct? Venugopal. Correct. Move to the left. You can see view, right? Above that.
Yeah.
Click there. So you can find out hidden items. Just go on the right side. Move to the next column. Move to the next. Go to the right side. Right. There you can see the hidden, right? Have you done the check mark over there? I think. Now you can see the APB data,
second.
right?
Oh, app data.
APB data folder is there. Go to the roaming. There you can see the NPM folder.
It's empty.
That is fine. Could you please copy this location?
Yep, copy.
Right. Now right click on this PC. Not there. Correct. There. Properties. Advanced systems.
So I think we need an access for this.
No.
We cannot do that. Yeah.
Just a second. No problem. Could you please press window button from the keyboard? And there you can type environmental variable. Edit environment variables for your account is there. No, not that one.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. For your account is there, right? Pick that one.
Okay.
Path is there, right? Path. Click on edit. It's already there.
Yeah, it's already there.
Hey viewers, are you looking for formal training on SRE practices? Take our SRE program. This course will teach you how to successfully implement site reliability engineering in the modern day 24/7 services. Kickstart your SRE training today. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
Just a second. Could you please show me the error
Just try
again?
doing an npm version in your command prompt and see if it's working fine first. Open a command prompt.
Yeah, I'm in command prompt. Yep.
Did you do
npm
npm
version?
Yeah.
Version. Yeah, I just clicked on it. Yeah, I got the version NP 6.14.8.
That's fine.
And you're saying the same command is not working, right, in your terminal in Visual Studio Code.
Visual Studio Code, let me try it out. NPM version. Yeah, it is giving NPM is not recognized. Yeah.
Okay, could you please do one thing? Can you fire npm install that command over the command prompt directly?
Yeah, I did that also. So this one, right? The same thing. NPM.
Just a second. Hey, there is an issue with your proxy.
Proxy.
Hello, Virgopal, there is an issue with your proxy. Okay. If your proxy config is set to property, you can see the message, right? There is an issue with your proxy. Your proxy is not set properly.
Okay. Okay. So this is the command, right? The proxy which we have run. And the
Yes,
command
correct.
prompt
But
I have run.
so there, right? If you'll provide now which stuff, I would say that the username and credential, right? Every one of you use that credential stuff, right? Inside the proxy, am I right? Let me just when you go just a second. Let me check with others.
No, I didn't
Okay.
use it.
Yes.
I just gave the proxy.
Okay, so it worked,
Without
right?
username and password. Yeah, it worked.
Okay, so this is the stuff, right? Saravanan, could you please check this proxy URL? I think it's not HTTP dot or HTTP colon double slash.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Saravanan, could you please do one thing? Could you please ping him could you please ping that URL actually?
Okay. Yeah, I think it's correct only. 1 minute.
Blessy, the same URL you can use it, okay? Saravanan, could you please ping in a chat?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, these are the ones I configured.
Mhm. You fired the same command with the npm config proxy, correct?
Yes.
Abhinandan, I didn't do the password thing, so it worked fine for me. I'm not sure
That
like
is not a
whether we should
problem.
use that username password.
That is also fine, okay. But the practice is what it's better to provide your credentials over there, so that later will not face any problem.
Okay.
Okay. Venugopal, could you please fire these things at your end so that you can finish it quickly?
Yeah, including username and password.
You can try with that, okay. But don't do it over the screen sharing part, okay?
Yeah, I'm just stop the sharing.
Yeah. Blessy, for this, right? You have to connect with your team, okay? Hello.
Hello? Yeah, I can hear. Yeah.
Blessy, you got the point. You have to connect with your team, okay? Because for this, right, I can't sort out the problem. Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
Because
Okay.
which kind of policies that they have set it, right? Blessy, you got my point. Which policies they have set it, right? I'm not aware about it. Hello.
Okay.
You got the point, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Abhinandan, I can hear.
Yes. Otherwise, Blessy, try out this solution also, okay? Those who are not able to do it, right? You can try out this option. instead of app name, write provide the dev connector. Check out this.
Are you sharing a screen or something?
Blissy and Venugopal, can you try it with this NPX option?
Yeah. Let me try NPX.
Instead of app name, right, you can type dev connector. Okay.
Yeah.
Just a second. I'm forwarding this command. Okay. You can try it. You can try out this thing at your end.
Okay.
Venugopal, is it working?
Yeah. In Visual Studio, it's not working. Command prompt just triggered, just running. I mean, it's not showing anything right now.
Then that is
Just to
fine.
give
That is fine.
Yeah.
Now if it is working somewhere now, that is important for us now.
Right. Yeah.
Let's see, now this solution will work for you. Okay, now people, I'll give you the clarity regarding the NPX. Okay, what is this NPX command? What is this NPX? Now, whenever you'll come across with this npmi, right? So what it will do at the time of firing this npmi command, at the time of firing this npmi command, at the time of firing this npmi command, here, for example, let's say today is 27th of October, right? On 27th of October, if 10.3.0, if it is the latest version, then it will install that one only. And after this, let's say on 28th, 29th, 30th, after that, right, unless and until I'm not updating it, till that time my projects will be created on the basis of 10.3.0 only. Is it clear, everyone? But when you'll fire npx command, but when you'll fire the npx command, what it will do, this npx command, every time it will install the latest available version.
Hey viewers, trying to get into DevSecOps? Enroll for our DevSecOps certified professional programs and earn the certification that shows you are fit for these technical roles and requirements. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
This npx command will install the latest. Hello, right, everyone? Did you get the point or not? Whenever you'll fire this npx command, right? For example, let's say today today, if the latest version is 10.2.3, okay, so it will create the project accordingly 10.2.3, okay. For example, let's say when I'm going to create tomorrow, when I'll create the project via npx, and if the latest version is 10.3.0, then what it will do, it will create the project with respect to 10.3.0 only. Did you get this clarity or not? Here, at the time of firing the command, whatever the version is available, it will create the project according to that. And in this npx case, what it will do, every time it will create the project, with respect to latest available version. All of you, did you get the difference between these two approaches or not? Please let me know.
So we are creating the project with the help of npx command, not with ng, right?
No, Sarvanan, we can do it via ng also, okay, both. But in case
Okay.
of Venugopal, right, it was not supporting. This npm is not supporting. That's the reason I gave him a solution of npx. Is it clear?
Yes. What? Okay. npm means node packaging manager. What is npx?
npx, what it will do, it's a what to say that it every time when you fire this npx command, right, this npx
Okay.
command will connect you to the directly the global node repository, okay.
Okay.
Global node repository, in the sense, don't consider your system ka global one, okay.
Okay.
So it will connect to the npm js site only. Just a second, I'll show it to you.
Thanks.
Is it clear?
Okay. npx will check.
What it will do,
Yeah.
it will check is it available over there or not. If not,
Okay.
it will connect to the in Maven repositories are there, correct? repo.maven1.com something, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So like that it will connect to the repository location which is provided by the npm, which is provided for the node, okay. It will connect over there and it will download it. Is it clear now?
Okay. Yes. So after running this npx, if you are creating some other projects, at the time, do we need? Can we directly run it using ng, or the time also we need to run it using npx?
We have to run it via npx only then.
Okay. It won't. It won't available globally.
Yes, that's the reason. If you observe, right, how to work
Okay.
out the thing with the ngn with npx, both of the things I'm going to cover.
Okay.
I know for few folks in a fidelity, right, they will face the problem, okay. So for that purpose, right, I have a solution.
Got it. Thank you.
Right? Okay. People, did you get the understanding, or did you understand the difference between these two, npm and npx, or not? In case of npm, what will happen? At the time of firing the command, which one is the latest available one? 10.2.0 something. It will install that one only. Right? And when you fire npx command, today I fired, let's assume, npx command, and the latest version is 10.2.0 something. So what it will do? Today it will create my project with respect to version 10.2.0 only. Tomorrow, let's assume Angular, they have released a new version 10.3.1 only. So what will happen if I'll fire the npx command tomorrow? It will create my project with respect to which version? 10.3.1. So moral of the story is, when you'll fire the npx command, at that time, whatever the latest version is available, it will create your project with respect to the latest available version. Is it clear or not?
Hey viewers, our Mastery in DevOps engineering program can help you to hone the skills necessary to succeed in high-level DevOps positions. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and earn certification that show you are keeping pace with today's technical roles and requirements. Contact info is mentioned in the video sidebars and in the description box. Book your seats for the upcoming batches now.
Abhinandan, one question here. Like, as you told, for few of them, NPM is not working, but NPX worked. So, what could be the reason? Like, is it
See,
purely
Amisha, the problem is,
version thing?
yes, I'll tell you. The problem, version is not a problem, okay, Anvisha. Because see, now today we are installing NPM and we'll do it via NPX also, right? Both will give you the latest version or not. Agree?
Yeah.
So the problem is because
Yes.
of your proxies are not supporting, okay? There is an issue with the proxy. That's the reason this is a kind of bypass, you can say.
Oh, it's a bypass kind of thing. Okay.
Anvisha, did you get the point?
One
Your
more
proxies.
thing.
Yes,
Yeah,
tell
yeah,
me.
I got your point.
Are not working. Proxies are not working. That is the reason I followed this way. Okay. I have given a solution via NPX.
Okay.
You have to complete the work in this kind of situation also, right?
Yeah. So one more question, Abhinandan, that is, I was trying to use that ng new dev connector in command prompt. So it actually prompts a question like, would you like to add Angular routing?
You should say why
What
over
should be
there.
off here? Yes. Yeah.
What
okay.
should be? Hello? What should be? I didn't get your
Sorry,
point.
I couldn't hear you. Yeah, so it is prompting us like, would you like to add Angular routing? Yes or no? So we should be
You
opting
should
for
type
yes.
why
No?
over there. You should type why over there.
Okay, okay. I mean, we're opting for it then. Okay.
Yes, we have to opt it because that one will help you to improve your performance of your application. Okay, how it is helping and all, right?
Okay.
You'll get to know in another couple of hours.
Okay.
You'll get to know in couple of hours. Okay, that is not a problem, right?
Sure. Thanks.
Okay. Any question?
And
Rashmi,
what about the style sheet format that we should choose?
CSS.
It is
Indu, it
prompted
will
in
be
NPM,
CSS.
right? CSS.
It will be
Okay.
CSS.
Abhinandan, this is Venu. I tried with the username and password. It worked right now. So npm command only worked. What are the
No
next
problem.
commands that I need to run? ng serve, is it?
Not ng sir. Just a second.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you created the project?
No, I just ran that npm client, that command.
Okay. Then you
I need to
fire
open
this
it.
command.
Yeah.
I highlighted with the yellow color.
Yeah. Okay, sure. Ng new didn't connector. Okay.
Okay, Rashmi, it's
Yeah,
working.
my issue because
Blessy, could you please speak a little bit louder? Your voice is a bit low.
yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So what my problem is actually Jerry helped me. So I have edited my .npmrc file few months back. I think that was having my old password. I edited it now and it worked.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, but after running this ng new dev connector, I was getting few errors saying files already exist. Is that because I already installed the Angular
It
before?
already exists. Hello?
Yeah, when I ran this ng new dev connector, I'm getting errors saying package.json already exists, like that. Angular.json already exists. Is that because I already installed it?
Just a second. Let me check it out. Okay.
Okay.
I'll make you a present. Okay. Could you please share the screen?
Sure.
Rashmi, your proxy is not set. Okay. Yeah, it already exists. That means you fired this command twice. Okay. Hello.
Okay, so that's fine, right?
So already your dev
Yeah,
that is fine.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you want to create everything from the again, right? You just mentioned one thing, na. ng
Yeah.
new dev connector 2 you mention it, it will create everything for you from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.